Princess Alara knelt in the whispering forest, her palms glowing as she mended a tiny fairy's bruised wing. But the joy was short-lived. The fairy queen descended, her voice like morning chimes. The shadow sorcerer has stolen the sacred heart. Everbloom is dying. Alara's gaze hardened with resolve. With a unicorn, a dragon, and a fox of amber eyes, Alara braved the glacial peaks where snow bit like glass. In the crystal caves, she solved the riddle of echoes, parting solid rock. They fought through shadowy constructs, the dragon's roar clearing a path through the sorcerer's swirling mists. Inside the throne room, the sorcerer lunged, his cloak dripping with void. Alara did not draw a blade. Instead, she held the crystal of light high, projecting memories of a flourishing world. The light pierced his armor, revealing only a lonely man. Alara reached out, offering her hand. "It does not have to be this way," she whispered. Shadows dissolved into starlight. As the sacred heart pulsed with life, the rivers surged with sapphire light. Under a crown of starlight, Alara watched the festival of lights begin. Dragons wove through fireworks as the kingdom finally breathed in perfect harmony once